If you want to buy crypto, you have to use any exchange. And when you want to convert that crypto to fiat, you have to use other platforms. Then for swapping, another exchange. The whole story is this, that if you want to take the entry in crypto, you have to keep an eye on every platform and every exchange, and also make so many accounts on each and every platform. But in this video, I will share a platform that's one-stop shop for all of you. It means one app in your mobile phone will give you the access to more than 6,677 coins which are available in the market. Stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
The Cashtag removes the complication with storing and using cryptocurrency by providing a single app where everything can be easily accessed. It is basically an app which you can download on your desktop, or secondly, you can also download it in your personal mobile phone. That is multi-chain and multifunctional. Now, what is the meaning of the multi-chain? Multi-chain means that the big blockchains like ERC20, Ethereum, Binance, Polkadot, Celo, Solana, Near, all the blockchains are available on the Cashtag. And secondly, the Cashtag allows the users to access all of the possibilities of the cryptocurrencies. Cashtag is solely focused on making the use of the cryptocurrencies as straightforward and intuitive as possible. The Cashtag app can be downloaded on either desktop or mobile. Within the app, users can easily store and spend their cryptocurrencies. Cashtag supports multiple blockchain, making it easy for the users to manage a wide range of assets. Now talking about the coin, CATE coin, that is basically the native token of the Cashtag. Right now the price of one token is about $0.22. So if you are going to invest only and only $150 in this token, you will get up to 679 CATE tokens at the moment. And if you want to purchase this token, simply you can purchase it directly from the Uniswap exchange. It's a DEX exchange, so easily you can purchase this token. And the best part, also you can check out the contract address before buying this token, because there are so many CATE tokens on the Uniswap. So as I am telling you the exact CATE token which is available and which has multiple users, and also it has their own mobile app. Now talking about something else, about the major problems which basically the people are facing in crypto. The first one problem, for example, digital currencies are basically used as they were originally intended. Holders infrequently transact, and there are few opportunities to spend in the real world. The world of the digital currencies has become a global casino. Now the solution is simple and straightforward. The Cashtag makes it easy to spend and use digital currencies. Merchants or holders can download the app and immediately spend and receive the digital currencies. Store, lend, convert, stake and spend. It's all possible with the Cashtag mobile app. And the best part, for the consumer features, mobile payments, easily make digital currency payments from your mobile phone. No bank account or debit card needed. Spend your digital currency with over 500,000 merchants. The Cashtag rewards program offers the incentives for both the merchants and the consumers. Paid when you pay and paid when you get paid. Global payments, send digital currency anywhere within the Cashtag network. Easily receive digital currency and exchange into a fiat currency of your choice. Both consumer and merchants can easily exchange between the digital currency and fiat. Between other cryptocurrencies, Cashtag charges no fee. With mobile app, you can do in-app staking, in-app lending, in-app exchange, in-app rewards program, in-app merchant gateway, and notification. For example, right now the price of one BTC is at about $57,000 at the time of the video. But for example, the price is going down at about $54,000. So you will get the notification so easily. If you are the holder of the BTC, simply you can sell it out. Or if, for example, the BTC is going up, you can also check the price, each and everything on the Cashtag. So overall, this Cashtag is a huge thing. Now something about more Cashtag use cases. Event organizers can easily receive the payments and use payment data as marketing material. E-commerce websites are gaining quite popularity nowadays. E-commerce sites can facilitate easy purchases through the Cashtag app, and non-profit donate directly through the charities and non-profit organizations through the Cashtag app, and some more uses, but I'm not going to tell about this. It is about the gambling. Here comes the entire team. If you have any type of question, simply you can contact the team, and also you can check out the entire roadmap. As I said in starting, that this entire project Cashtag is for those who want to store, spend and stake their cryptocurrencies within one mobile app. Right now the price of this token is $0.22, and as I said that if you are going to invest $150 at the time of the video, you will get up to 681 tokens. So very soon this token will reach up to minimum $6 or $7. What you think? Do let me know in the comment section, and you can easily make your $150 up to 4,200 in maximum 2 weeks. Thanks a lot.